Mom, it's happening. Guten Tag, meine Damen und Herren. That's it. Guten Tag, meine Damen und Herren. So, we're going to listen to some Silk music today. I'm back. Guess who's back? The new Slim Shady. At about a week's break, actually, from streaming. Boo. And today I was like, oh man, I don't want to stream. Like, I'm struggling with this thing that I'm trying to get done. It sucks. And then I was like, dude, streaming's not about being perfect. It's about being real. So yeah, I'm going to be working on what I'm stuck on right now. But the most important thing about programming, as you will know if you've ever watched my stream or listened to me talk, is the soundtrack. Thanks to Silk Music, we're going to be listening to Progressive House as our background. Okay, let's put it out on the Twitters that this is happening. It's a thing. Tweet. Okay, so today we is going to be coding on. So coding live on. So we're going to be doing Nest.js. Nest framework, yo. And we're going to be doing some Zeebe microservices. I got to fix something there. Microservices. What else we doing? Replica AI. Yes. Replica AI. What else? Maybe Google Analytics. Strappy. Do they even have a Twitter? Let's see. Yeah. Strappy, yes. Okay, so let's put in my Twitch. What is my Twitch? There it is, the legendary Josh Wulf, the one and only. Copy. And pause. Sehr gut, sehr gut. Just paste that mofo there. Yeah, man, I've been watching America's Got Talent all night. 2018, 2019, and the champions. Oh man, the Olympics of talent. Incredible. Let's have a look. Double check it. Coding live on Twitch now. Nest framework, ZBHQ microservices, Replica AI, Strappy.js. Yo, it's real. It's happening. It's a thing. This is a picture of me with John Azariah. John Azariah, the language architect of the Q# language for programming quantum computers. That was at NDC a couple of years back. Someone just retweeted it the other day. It's pretty cool. Let's get into this. Let's do this. Let's do it. Let's do this. Okay, I got a problem with my Nest microservices. So I'm using the PayK package, and there was a recent update. I'm going to drag a window over from my other monitor. Rather than opening a new tab, we'll just add it to this one. Ding. Published 13 days ago. What's this? Okay, so I've done two things. This is a thing I do, man. I do multiple things at once and then have to debug the interaction of them. By the way, I've switched to using left-handed mouse. So there was an update to Nest.js. And at the same time, obviously the Nest.js integration for Zeebe got updated, so I changed versions to the new version, and then I also refactored my project to merge two separate servers into the same one. Now, my hypothesis right now, which is unvalidated, is that the two servers that I had, one was a Zeebe server, working fine. The other one was a JSON API, Nest.js JSON API server that I whacked together to work with my Ember front end with Ember data. And then when I put the two of them together, I did two things. I put the two of them together into the one project, and I upgraded the Zeebe library and the Nest library. And what's happened now is that the I think it's got something to do with the middleware for the JSON API is interacting with the. Anyway, let's just get into it and find out. Who knows? There's only one way to find out. What does this do? Package file explorer. Okay. Oh, this looks interesting. Anywho, let's get back to the code. Okay, so yeah, in this new version of the library, you got to annotate your worker with payload and context. And what's happening is that if I go to main.ts in my Nest.js project here, dun 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 dun. Okay, so it's pretty ghetto coded, this thing. If I whack this middleware in, a body parser to JSON, then what happens is I get the payload. But I don't get the context. If I don't put the JSON body parser on, I get the context but not the payload. So I guess what I'm looking at is what is the interaction between what's the interaction between the app middleware and the Zeebe service? That's really my core question here. So this app use seems to affect, this is just the logging middleware I put on. Should be nothing because that app logging middleware does not get called when that gets called. Nope. No, it does not. I think. Let's have a look. Cannot read property, failure of undefined, unhandled. Oh, okay, no. There's more going on here than meets the eye. So that works. Email send. Yeah, okay, so sending sign up one email to Josh at magiccraft.io works. But then it says cannot read the property successive undefined, which means that in my email worker here, no, email send. Dude, this is not annotated. Could be that simple. Now the other thing about the annotations is I have a feeling that you need to put the type signatures on the annotated things in order for them to be picked up. I'm not sure, but I'm going to do it anyway just in case. So we make this a complete function of type any. Okay, let me find out if there are any other Zeebe workers that are not annotated. That's interesting. Okay, had an interesting effect. So add Zeebe worker. At Zeebe worker. There we go. Okay, that's annotated. That's annotated. That's annotated. That's annotated. That is annotated. Okay. Or decorated. They're called decorators, yeah. Let's have a look at open link in new tab. Nope. Okay, whatever. Oh. we go. Open link in new tab. And there should be a streaming live now. Live now. Let's click on that. I'm gonna pause the live stream. It gets meta otherwise. It's cool. Yo. Alright, very good, very good. Okay, so I have a theory, a hypothesis that it should now work. I don't know. Let's find out. If we go to the terminal, new terminal. So that other one I accidentally closed, but it does look like it's still running. Good, it's going. Okay, I'm going to use pour to send an API request in to trigger something to happen. Where? Okay, that worked. I have to change my API keys now. Link them to the internet. Okay. Well, if that's all there is to it, I'm just gonna say working and then push it. Working. Oh, I should take out that logging middleware. Save that. I think it's working. I'm gonna push it. I'm gonna push it to the remote. Pull it down into that server. So, remove logging middleware. Middleware. Okay. Right. Actually, one thing that I do is whenever I put logging stuff in, I always use like my own annotation debug. See, there you go. Huh. Yeah. So I can remember to take it out. I'm just going to log the API keys out to the console. Yeah, right. Let's get rid of that. Okay, that key combo doesn't work. So we use this one. Wow. Let's just use the mouse, hey? Remove debug. Log. Push to the remote. Okay. Ghetto DevOps. I used to have a Jenkins instance that did all this stuff, but now I'm doing it manually for the time being. Until I set up some GitHub actions to auto deploy from master. Here. Pretty much all I need to do here is just git pull. Okay, there's a couple of things that we can check. One thing is if I log in to Minecraft to the server, I should see some stuff happen here. Yep. Yeah, my spells are coming down. Good. Now let's check the play app. See if that works. Play.magiccraft.io. Okay, go to the editor. Save that. Okay, something didn't work. Let's try this. Click on save. So let's go back here. Oh! Okay, the JSON API is now broken. Okay, let's have a look. So, it looks like the spells controller is complaining that what it's receiving... Let's go to the spells controller itself. Spells controller. And it's the, what, the save? Line 58, so... patch. And then we're trying to destructure the name of the request model. Okay. Yeah, okay, so the request model's not getting populated anymore. Okay. What's that actual route? The route is spells. I don't know, maybe if I change that to spells? And then maybe that should be users in that case. Users controller? Users, yeah. So let's patch the JSON API route. JSON API routes. Alright. Using my get-opt push. This thing here. Gonna have to control C out of that. And then do a get pull on this. Get pull. And then it will restart. Yeah. Good. And then we're going to go here. And then we're going to... Well, it didn't patch it, so it's funny that it patched it locally. I am surprised. That's interesting. Let's have a look at the development tools. Developer tools. 500. Okay, well let's just reload the page, see what happens. Have you tried restarting it? Mm-mm. Mm-mm. 404 on the spells, man. Status 500. That's interesting. Clear the console and reload. Let's try that again. Why so slow? Oh man, I'm flying to Sydney next week. How's our streaming speed going? I mean, one possibility is Minecraft is doing it. What? How did that be right back come up? That's weird. Oh. Okay. Dude. That's weird. Yeah. Whatevs. Okay, we're back. Let's try this out. Okay, good. So it's unpatched. Now we're going to patch it. Are you ready, save? Patch 500 through. Can't destructure. Okay. Well, I'm not going to do this whole get ops dance thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a local copy of the spellbook, which I have over here, and it's even already running. So if we just change this to localhost 4200. Hello. Rock and roll. Let's go to the editor. And on the editor, we can see this spell. DevTools application panel. So we can make it faster by going to the application panel. Service worker. Turn off update on reload. Okay, I'm going to quit out of Minecraft because I don't need to be in that while I'm doing this. Something's using a ton of CPU. What is it? iTerm 2. What have I got running in iTerm 2? Oh, my OBS that's running in there. Anything else? That's it. Oh, okay, I got a Zeebe broker running in there as well. Okay, good. Anywho, back here. So yeah, it's not destructuring correctly. So, dude, calm your farm. That Zeebe library freaks out when you use it with Docker like that. You use Docker Compose and then you destroy the container without, like, you bring the, what do? You control C out of the container without doing Docker Compose down. Anyway, I guess the thing to check is, you know, is the JSON API middleware getting called, which is here. And hang on, let's have a look. It could be as simple as this, really. Couldn't it? Oh wow, what happened here? It's like it got deleted or something. That's a different version. Comment. Save. What? Nothing? Nothing for me? Oh. Well, it didn't save, that's for sure. Okay, let's watch one thing at a time. Save. Looked like it saved. Nothing here. Go back. Did it save? Try reloading. Yep. Really, was that the problem? Fix JSON API routes. What I'm building up to now is I'm using Replica AI to do voices. These guys, Replica AI, they spoke at, let me pull this window over. They spoke at BrizJS, at the last one that I went to, about their artificial intelligence generated voices. So let's generate one. I'm using Lydia, upbeat, and we'll say, congratulations. You've connected. Your Minecraft username with your spellbook. I used AWS Poly for this for a while, but it's nowhere near as good as this. This thing is great with your spellbook. Yeah. And run it on the Magicraft on the Minecraft server. I'll say the Magicraft Minecraft server. Yo, okay. Let's click on this. Let's turn this down a little bit so you can hear it. Are you ready to be amazed by the future? Where'd that window go?
Congratulations. You connected your Minecraft username with your spellbook. Now you can write code here and run it on the Magicraft Minecraft server.
This should say in your spellbook. In your web browser. Web browser. Click. Replica AI, it's called. Fully synthetic voices. Very good synthetic ones. They're way more expressive.
Congratulations. You've connected your Minecraft username with your spellbook. Now you can write code in your web browser and run it on the Magicraft Minecraft server.
No, I need to switch her to happy. She was way better when she was happy. Customize. How do I set a sentiment on this thing? Here we go. Let's try surprised. Try that. What does she sound like when she's surprised? Sentiments, man. That's awesome. AWS Poly, yeah, it's got some kind of advanced XML thing you can do.
Congratulations! You've connected your Minecraft username with your spellbook. Now you can write code in your web browser and run it on the Magicraft Minecraft server.
Not feeling it. I'll tell you what I am feeling with Lydia, and that is happy. Nope.
Hey there, this is the replica voice of Lydia.
Okay, it's not clear to me how I get to that surprise thing. Okay. Disgusted. Let's try angry. What does she sound like when she's angry? Come on, Lydia, tell us what you really think. Let's turn this down a little bit more.
Congratulations! You've connected your Minecraft username with your spellbook. Now you can write code in your web browser and run it on the Magicraft Minecraft server.
I would say that she does way better when she's happy. And then we'll try a different voice for an angry one. Character auditions. Voice actor auditions.
Congratulations! You connected your Minecraft username with your spellbook. Now you can write code in your web browser and run it on the Magicraft Minecraft server.
Much better, Lydia. Thank you. Now, in terms of the voice for this one, let's go with like one of these English kind of. There's like a dark. There's one that says dark. Let's try him. Advertising, deep, helpful, Scandinavian. This guy.
Hey there. You are listening to the replica voice of Keith.
Haha. Let's try Keith. Okay, Keith. And then let's make Keith angry. Haha. Let's try this. Whenever you're ready, mate.
I will defeat you. I cannot be stopped.
Okay. Maybe the sentiment thing is not so good. Let's try it just straight up. Would this guy pass as a villain? Let's see.
I will defeat you. I cannot be stopped.
Oh, that's better. It reminds me of that thing, Kill Him, My Robots, from the C64. Let's find it here. Kill him, my robots. Oh. Goodness. Goodness gracious me. Kill him, so... yeah. Liquid Stranger. No, it's taken off the game. Impossible Mission. Destroy him, my robots, yeah. Dude, that's pretty cool. With an 8-bit computer. That's just fully sick. Very good. Okay, anyway. That's enough of that. Cancel. Blow that thing away. Did I actually fix it? I got distracted midway through whatever the heck it was I was doing. Did we fix it? Did we win? Push the changes. Git pull. follow the logs. Play.magiccraft.io. Let's check it out. Gotta log in again. All good. Happy to do that. So I'm going to put the replica AI voice there in that front page. I have a plan for that. Okay, I got to fix this scrolling thing here at some point. Did that work? Looks like it did. Okay, so then the acid litmus test is I log into Minecraft and see if ding. Let's go to Minecraft. Bonza. Ripper, mate. Okay, I've got 156 spells in there. So, if I now go into my spell book, right, and then I edit one of my spells by just adding an extra line, click on save, go back to Minecraft. No. Okay, what went wrong? I think something went wrong with, I'm up to line 17. Yes, there it is. Change spell underscore 0, typecast underscore 0 to cast it. YOLO. Let's try it. Cast underscore 0. Worked. Okay. What do we say? That's close enough for rock and roll? Man, I need some better integration tests. Automated. Okay. Anyway. Who cares about what would be good to have? Let's just work with what's there. Okay. It's easy to get hung up on what could be. Or what should be. Better to work on what is. And what I am committed to it being. Okay, so now I want to integrate that replica AI into the Play app. So I need to put a player in that front page, and then the next thing is I'm using Strappy to build like a headless content management system for all the... Because at the moment, I have stuff like littered throughout this code in various domain-specific areas. Like under email, we got email templates in here. Like when you sign up, you get a bunch of these emails, right? They don't really belong in here. And then I just started to build, you know, like this, you know, here's that welcome audio from Replica AI. And then I created a new thing called the content map somewhere, where I started to do a map of content. And then I was like, dude, what am I doing, man? This is content. This is not code. So the way I think of it is you got data structures and algorithms, and really a server like this should just be a functional transformer over data, and it shouldn't have data inside it. State data and stuff. So a lot of state data is in like Zeebe and using event sourcing. Okay, let me clear my head for a second, figure out what I'm going to do next. There's the Ember audio stuff. I fixed that problem with the whatever it was. I don't even know what it was now. Anyway, forget it, it's fixed. I'm about to start coding in Minecraft using a web browser. I think the highest value thing is well, I've got to put the audio editor into... Let's try that. I'll put the audio editor into the... Not the audio editor, the audio player. But if I have nothing to play... Chicken and the egg. Okay, let's just go down to the base layer. We're going to do strappy.ai. Strappy.js. Alright. Put this one down. Now, this one can really go away. Yeah. Okay, let's bring this one over here. And then we're going to switch my VS Code window. Okay, you got to stay upbeat and on task, but at least upbeat, eh? Okay. Okay, so this is strappy.js. Use the terminal. Strappy.js, man. It's pretty cool. Let's replicate AI. This is this NPM thing. About this webinar. Live online December 18 or after on demand. Yeah, okay. Might as well. Oh, no, forget that. No, sorry. Made it too hard. Should have had an OAuth login. I don't make you log into Magicraft like that. Come on. What is this? The 90s? I already got an account for the internet. Strappy.js. Strappy.io. Yeah, that'll do. This is the shiz-nizzle, this thing. Open source headless CMS that developers love. Manage your content, distribute it anywhere. It's pretty easy to, like, you build the data, it builds the data model and everything, the tables. And then you can, like, it'll put REST over the top of it, and it can also do GraphQL if GraphQL became necessary later. Could do. It could do. Anywho. Don't think too far in the future, man. Just make it happen now. I like that way of thinking. I like it. Okay, I'll put this the Ember one down for the time being. Goodbye. Now, I have a problem with this in trying to run it. So if I say npm run start dev, okay, haha. I think it's called run development actually. Develop. And it complains about hooks and stuff, something to do with the database connection. Connects. Timeout acquiring a connection. Impossible to register the role model. Timeout acquiring a connection. The pool was probably full. Are you missing a transacting call? So this is pretty sure it's something to do with the database. Because I did what everyone of course should do, which is copy that and then paste it into Googs. And then look for strappy bugs, and there are a bunch of them around that. Paste and search. Oh, you know me so well. Here we go. Connects. And then... oh, someone wrote. Okay. And then we'll just add strappy to this. strapi. I'm going to go to sleep tonight. That's what I'm going to do. Oh, beautiful. Right at the top. Connects timeout acquiring a connection on strappy start. That looks like it. Post-mortem. Late night spent debugging. Yeah. Dragons and code when database queries go wrong. Connects. I don't really know much about Connects.js. Okay, smart. New relic. Okay, new relic. Batteries included SQL Query Builder. Okay, so it's like type RM. Okay, in that case, I should get more specific. The author of Connects quickly responded and suggested some points to help me further debug. Logging debug messages. Okay, interesting. Anyway, let's have a look. Yeah, this is me. What's the BDCS? Oh no, it gets hosted locally. I was gonna say in Amazon. 3,000 to 10,000. Yeah, mine's at 30,000. Okay. Yeah. A lot of preamble, dude. Whatever. This is me. Yep. Increase the timeout. Oh, okay. Max 50. Okay. This looks good. Copy. Okay, that looks like it could be the fix. So, where's the database settings? IE environments. Okay. So, paste that there. Save that mofo. Save that bad boy. And we're back. Let's try it again, hey? I added those options. I had to put that screen on because my password's in there. Alright. Strappy develop. Okay, well, it used to blow up before this. It's like taking a long time. It's trying to get the connection. Good. Okay. Is it working? It's doing something. It's connecting over the internet. It's all the way to the RDS. It's in North America. I'm in Australia. Actually, it doesn't take this long for me to connect with my SQL Workbench or something. Ah, yeah, man. Interesting problem. Interesting problem. Oh, it works. Great. Dude, this is awesome. Very awesome. Okay. I'll go with J Wulf here. I got Cedar Buddy, whatever. J Wulf. Password. Let me come up with some super cryptic password. Let's try a different one. Something that's not easily guessable. Use that one. My email. Keep me updated. Yeah, whatever. Ready to start. Ta-da! We're in. Oh. This is a problem. Oof. God. I don't know. Let's put it in education. Let me just make sure I can log back in. Let's add a backup user. Same email. Password. Okay. Okay. This is good. I like it. Whatever. Okay. Providers, so plugins. Installed. Okay, cool. Okay, so you can do like AWS S3 upload. Providers, cool. It's kind of like WordPress in a way, but it gives you like a REST API over your content. Very good. I like it. Okay, so Marketplace, what can you get in here? GraphQL. Content Manager. One content type, a user. Okay, so let's go to the content type builder. Permission, role. Okay, we're going to add a content type. Okay, the name of a content type should be singular. Okay, so this thing doesn't do JSON API, so Ember is not going to like it. Okay, let's consult the internet's Ember with Strappy. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, okay, dude. Oh. $2015. On the roadmap. Let's have a look. Wah. Okay, let's have a look. Roadmap. 3 guys in France, I think this is. Okay, multiple authentications per user, change field level, refresh, contribution, forms, administration, customization, data management, experience, support TypeScript. That should be the first thing. SDK.js with GraphQL, yeah, versioning. Cascade delete. Under consideration. Planned. Okay, WYSIWYG HTML editor. Draft, publish state. Directly available. Okay, in progress right now. Webhooks. Yep. Static content types. Okay, split date and time fields and multiple components, dynamic zones, UID, testing. It's getting tested. Nothing launched. Let's see. Filter on null value generated, merge mongoose bookshelf templates, components library release, new plugin architecture. Filters on relation attributes, support SQLite, generated documentation, allow installation with yarn and npm. Alright, okay, there's nothing in here about JSON API. Okay, so let's have a look in the issues. Okay. JSON API. Okay. Nothing on the first page. Second page, nothing on the second page. That's out of 29 open, 311 closed. Okay, it's going to be lots of stuff with JSON, but what about JSON API? That's one word, let's try that. Okay. Dude. Is that the one we were looking at? Right now, this is not on our roadmap. Oh, dude. So what, you can't use this thing with JSON API? Well, that's gonna suck. Okay. Man, I had to write my own JSON API middleware for, Okay, hang on, what's this? Oh, that's 2016. Far out, man. Okay, is there something else I can use instead? I don't want to... Dude, JSON API. Node. Framework. Toolkit. Node. Sehr gut. Yeah, I used that JSON API serializer. Okay, maybe a loopback then, hey? I might have to use loopback. I want to use Strappy, but that's okay. Whatevs. Ember data. Yeah. This is all front end. JSORM. TypeScript Angular JSON API. Deserializer. TS JSON API. Hypermedia APIs, bro. Dart. Maybe I should rewrite it in Dart. Android Elm. Last year. Dart is the future. .NET, JSON API, net. Yeah, .NET's pretty good. Stable. JSON API deserializer in TypeScript. Okay, cool. Oh, dude, I need to be using this. Last year, yeah, whatever. Doesn't really need to be updated that much. JSON API, we looked at this page. What's this? Errors equals more code squared. I like it. It's good, man. It's really good. It says like errors increase exponentially with code. True story. Less code is better. Okay, TypeScript framework. You had me at TypeScript. API World's 2019 Best in API Middleware category. However, it might be, yeah, I don't know. Nest.js is pretty good. Let's have a look. Loopback 4. Let's have a look at documentation. Express framework APIs, yeah, microservices. Mono repo, yep, built for API developers, Open API, endpoints modern, JavaScript, yep. Okay, getting started. Docker file, good. Nah, now you're adding controllers. I mean, the great thing about Strappy is it recognizes that it's just CRUD over data. See? It's CRUD over data, dude. I just want it to be able to statically access static content over REST. So maybe writing the JSON API middleware for Strappy is not a bad idea. This one's too much coding. RPC server. Strong loop by IBM. They got bought by IBM. Interesting. Yeah, I quite like IBM. I worked at Red Hat for 10 years and we had a very close relationship with them, and I worked with IBM engineers on their mainframe computers because I wrote Red Hat Enterprise Linux 4? 5. I think 5. Red Hat Enterprise Linux 5 installation guide for I series, P series, and Z series. And we didn't have one of those computers, only IBM had one. So I had to work with their guys. It's like time sharing. Hey, can you guys run this for me? I could connect to it over Telnet or something. Okay, we're gonna go with Strappy and we're gonna write the JSON serializer. That's what we're gonna do. Really? Is that really what I'm gonna do? Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I can become famous by making it an open source thing for other people to use. So this content is going to be like, it's the messages that appear in their spellbook. What would you call it? A media message? Message content. It's a certain kind of message. It's like a message that is meant to paint the way forward in what to do next, like, you know, log into Minecraft, create a spell, do this thing. It's going to have a file. Oh, okay, so we should just do audio files to start with, right? So, what's up? What? No capitals. Singular. So we'll just say audio file. Sure. Audio files. Yeah. Audio files. Base settings. Look at advanced settings. Collection name. No. It's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Done. Okay, cool. No? Hang on. Add a field. So let's add some fields. So string should be like name. Name? Guess so. Yep. Should have like an ID. Does that? I guess it has an ID by default, huh? Media. Yep. Oh, this is a bit tricky. Maybe I need to do a relational link then, because file path. Let's try that. Text. No, so cancel that. Because basically I want to be able to get the actual MP3 or WebM file so that my player can play it. Maybe I should set up the AWS thing and test it. I think I'll do that. I'm just going to take a break for a minute and then we'll do that. Set up the AWS. Dude, I gotta tweet out this thought, man. Okay. True story. No matter which one. If I make this the least complex architecture possible, because then I can say this. Because then I can say, instead of saying it gets worse, I can say they only increase. All of those increase. It's actually came up to 37 years now. Actually, this is something I have to deal with. I don't mean like, oh, I have to like grapple with it. I mean, I got to deal with it right now. Like the thing that gets me like, like I'm just like, oh my God, I want to avoid the complexity. Then I'm gonna have to refactor. Then it's gonna be broken. You know, like when we started the stream, I was dealing with what happened when I merged two separate servers. I created them two separate servers. They did two different domains, but then after a while I was like, I'm going to have to duplicate the same code in both places, or I'm going to have to put them all in one place. So I had to refactor, put them all together, and then deal with the, you know, I had two working servers and then I had one that was broken. It's kind of like the programming is like the creation of more complexity and then the reduction of complexity. Okay, let's create some complexity. Let's do it. Nope, we're gonna go with Strappy. It was this thing here that triggered me to that thinking. Errors equals more code squared. Let's tweet this out. Let's check out Danny Ayers. Linked data enthusiast, noisemaker, net whisperer. Sparkle. Okay, cool. I'll give him a like for that. Give him a like. Give him a like. Okay. Oh. Okay, hang on. Oh. Ghost. Maybe Ghost. Tina CMS, that's right. Netlify CMS. Oh no. Okay. Jamstack. Okay, let's just do a little bit more research. Ghost. self-consuming RESTful JSON API. Well, it's using Ember. FS, S3, MySQL, JSON API webhooks. It was like the WordPress written in Node was how it got kind of pitched. Uses bookshelf. Yep, that's what we're using on this one. Well, Ghost is kind of hotness too, right? And it uses JSON API. This is a good track, man. I'm digging this, like that. It's a 4/4 and a 3/3 time. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 Okay. Here we go. Headless CMS, Node.js, REST APIs. The #1 CMS on GitHub. Bro. Ember. Let's encrypt in. Free 14-day trial. So let's see what you can get for Ghost 3. We raised 5 million Stripe payments. Members, subscriptions. Oh yeah. Okay. Let's have a look. Here we go. MIT source on GitHub. Okay. Actively developed, last commit 3 days ago. Fiercely independent professional publishing. Easiest way to deploy Ghost managed service, yeah. Okay. Let's give it a crack. Okay, this is where I was doing my strappy stuff, but I don't want to have to write that JSON API adapter, man. Automatic SSL setup using Let's Encrypt. That's pretty cool. I would like to put it inside Docker. Let's have a look at the tutorials and iTunes, no. Google custom search, no. Related post blog, oh god. Okay, is it too complicated? Content API. Okay, API client for JavaScript. Endpoints, yeah. Key. posts, pages, settings, resources. Okay. Okay, it's JSON API, that's good. Parameters, filtering, pagination is versioning, API clients. Okay. Well, let's have a look at what you get for and how much it costs. Okay, this is hosting. Okay, so it looks like hosting is what you pay for. Okay, cool. Core concepts. Ghost, open platforms, exceptionally fast, yeah. Reliably secure, great design, modern technology, open source. Okay, good. Own your brand data, yeah. Custom domain, yeah. Site design, censorship free. SEO control, native REST API. Comprehensive SDK, membership and subscription commerce features. Okay. But I think it seems to be mostly human consumable data, but I want robot machine consumable data mostly. Okay, this is what I was looking at before. Like, I'm going to put my message record into the database, but I'm going to put the actual audio file in here. Okay. Core API. RESTful JSON API, good. Okay. API key. Can you use Ghost with JWTs? Okay. Front end. Static site generator. Okay, great. It's good because then you can just flatten the content and push it to okay. Medium, yep, okay, it's good. Pages, okay, so maybe pages then. is where it starts to get more like, do you need something like Drupal? Don't know if it has enough content types. Okay. Okay. Calculate the reading time, that's cool. So maybe my message would be a page type. Nah, not doing that. I guess my question is, well, can you run it in Docker? Can you run Ghost in Docker? Because if you can, then I can use the Let's Encrypt containers that I use now for everything. I don't want to have to revisit that. Yep. Okay. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Yep. Okay, so do that. And then Ghost and JWTs. Let's see if we can do JWT authentication. Let's just try it and see what happens. This is version 3, we're on version 4 now, right? Written in Go. Ponzu. I don't intend hacking on the code, but I probably will end up having to. Let's have a look. Just a quick look. JSON HTTP APIs. Type equals song. Nah. That does look pretty cool, but Git based. Nope. Directus. REST. Nope. Netlify. Git based. That one's API driven. JSON API and Ghost. Keystone 5. Keystone 5 is first class GraphQL API. Ghost is more popular than Strappy. Well, let's get our hands dirty with Ghost and see what happens. Yo, yo. Okay. Okay, we ran that. Alright. Let's go up one. Okay, let's look at this because I don't know whether that's going to create a new directory or not. CD into an empty directory. Yeah, they forgot to mention that. Yeah, okay, let's have a look. Looks pretty easy to get started. Let's just do it as a test. We'll just call it Ghost. Good band, Ghost, actually, from Sweden. Dig 'em. Okay, let's do it. It's funny, it's kind of like whatever. What? Okay, hang on. Oh, okay. 12:10. Dude, I'm behind the times. I should be running 13. What am I doing? Shut down Strappy for now. Yeah, Strappy looks good, but the only problem is it doesn't have JSON API, and Ghost has a free view layer with it, so don't necessarily need to use it. Okay, so alias default. Alias. Default 12.10.0. Okay. And then we should use 12.10.0. I think if I just do this, it'll fix it. Open. Ghost. Open. New terminal. Mm-hmm. No. It's weird. Boom. Here we go. Winning. Okay, while it's doing that, scan through. Shut this down for now. We'll go with Ghost. Okay, I know more about connects than I did before. This is where you set up your content blocks. REST API. I don't know, maybe I overload tags or something. Yeah, Ghost is hot. We'll use that. I mean, at the moment, and here I have this thing called instruction. I got to write stuff here. I'm like, dude, I don't want to have to write this. Maybe I could even embed the play editor into Ghost. Maybe I could replace this app. Maybe I could, or I might be able to put Ghost into the instruction tab. We'll figure it out. We have the technology, we have the skills, the intelligence. We'll do it. Okay. Starting Ghost. All right. To complete setup of your publication. Okay, it's running. It looks pretty cool. I quite like it. We'll just call it Magic Craft. This is a test anyway. Gonna ask me for a password. Let's do this. Oh. Not now. No, thank you. I'll do this later. Take me to my site. Okay. Open the link in a new tab. Let's have a look at what it looks like. Okay. General. Design. This is about the physical design of the thing. Premium publications, unique content. Okay. Yeah, I could just do that. In that case, what I should probably do is embed this play app editor into Ghost. That'd be the easiest way to do it. Okay. Integrations, code injection. Inject code into the top and bottom of your theme files. Okay. Tracking code, design. Navigation, tags, blah blah blah. Tags. So pages. Is this how I do it? I don't know. Let's say this is the welcome message, right? Okay. Now, if we grab this code from the replica AI, copy, paste it in here. Okay. Just imagine that we had the right get rid of the kind of phonetic spelling that I had to do. Alright, okay, now we need to add, dude, it's just like medium, crazy. Image, markdown, HTML, gallery. I can't embed. So this is not going to work because I need to be able to embed an MP3. I don't want to have to upload it somewhere else. Let's try this. Yeah, okay. Boo. Really? Cloudinary. Free. Pretty sure I must have a Cloudinary account already. Haven't used it for a few years. But let's see if my browser remembers my password. It's from Cloudflare. Oh. 100% I have a Cloudinary account. Okay. Pricing. Free. Really? Okay. No backup to your own S3 bucket, because I could put the stuff in S3, or I could use it in Cloudinary. Oh. Maybe Drupal is the answer for that. This is a very limited content management system. Well, let's have a look at this article about how to do it with Cloudinary. Right? Yeah, but this response here, sure, that works. Okay, maybe that's actually all I need, because then I'd use the Cloudinary player in the spellbook as well. Maybe. Let's try it. Let's try one. Let's do this. Excuse me 1 second. Cool. Yeah, we're back. Yes, please save that. Okay, main role, developer. JS man. We'll say Node in that case. How'd you hear about us? Blog post, man. Yo. Other. Next. Okay, cool. Integration. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Wow, this is cool. I like it. Settings. Do that later because I think you have to pay for that. Yeah, okay, good. Oh, okay, 25 gigs of storage, 25 gigs of bandwidth. That should be good to start with. Okay, ready to start. All good. Okay. Good. Okay, let's upload something. Email verification required for your account. Can do. Oh man, this is a jam. Okay, I have used Cloudinary before, man, like way back in the day. It'll be under another account, another email address, probs. What's this say? What's new? I'd like to get this in the spellbook. Structured metadata, dynamic DAM, metadata. Okay, so media library, pretty sure it'll be here. Upload. Does look a little bit like SoundCloud. Drag and drop it. Studio Export 2 is the one I want. Let me rename this. Welcome MP3. Drag and drop. Boom. Okay, so. An HTML block in your blog. So. Nope. So HTML block. HTML block. Paste it in there. Okay, so we've got to get the source from. Copy URL. Yeah, okay, easy. Copied. Welcome. Paste. Now, just say welcome to that and then hit publish. Set it live, publish. Published. View the post.
Welcome to Magicraft. You are about to start coding in Minecraft using only your web browser. That's pretty cool. The next step is to log into our multiplayer Minecraft server and link your spellbook with your Minecraft username. Open Minecraft now and connect to our multiplayer server. When you connect to our Minecraft server, I'll send you a link in the Minecraft chat. When you click that link, I'll know what your name's in Minecraft. And I can send the spells that you write here to the server so that you can run them there. Are you ready? Open Minecraft now now and connect to the server at magicraft.io. Then click the link I'll send you in the Minecraft chat. We sent you an email with some instructions, so check your inbox and be sure it didn't go into the junk folder. See you in Minecraft soon.
Okay. Ghost API 3 content pages. API version 3. Oh yeah, man, that's a jam. Content pages. Ding. Right. Let's have a look. What am I looking at? This is the setup. Pages, Ghost API 3 pages. V3. Okay, so general. Where do I create the tags? Okay, where do I create the oh man, I've got to go to the docs to figure out how to create a content key. No problem. No problem at all. Oh, okay. So I go to integrations, I create my own integration. Ta-da! Oof, what would I call this? I don't know. REST. Okay. Here we go. Got a content API key. Copy. So I go here. And I think all I need to do is just go like this. Key equals. Boom. JSON API, baby. Okay, but I can't filter it, so I guess I'd grab all the pages on the server and then filter them. And you could cache them. And then pass them down to the client. It's interesting because I want to create a shaped experience for a user over time. It's not a common kind of use case. Okay, so well, hang on, here it is here. So it's just HTML and it has the player embedded in it with the MP3. Okay, it makes it pretty easy. So then the only other thing I would want to do with that is, can I make that autoplay, which is kind of... Oh yeah, you could do videos too. I think Ghost is it. Although it's got me thinking in the inverse now, because it has a view layer and the view layer is quite good. Maybe I would build my application on top of Ghost as a view layer. Might be more trouble than it's worth. Could I iframe it on that page? Or I could get this page... Oh. Actually, the easiest thing to do would be to dynamically populate that instructions page with the HTML that gets responded. So right here would be this response here. I just push that in there, and then it would look something like that. Mapping the customer journey to the content pieces is the challenging kind of part. I can figure that out. Okay. Okay, I like it. I think I'm gonna go with this. And then I can rebuild the Magicraft website at the same time on top of it. Why not? Back it with MySQL. Okay, that's enough coding for today on that. Obviously I'm gonna continue, but that's enough time for the stream today. Thanks for tuning in, people from the future. I'm going to be speaking at LinuxConf AU on January 14th on the Gold Coast about creating content for users by streaming on Twitch. And I'm going to be doing a Magicraft workshop on Tuesday, January the 14th. So the 13th, Monday the 13th. Tuesday the 14th, I'm doing a Magicraft workshop. So I'm going to get this all ready for that. It's going to be rock and roll. Yeah, this looks kind of ghetto. Especially when I compare it to that. Okay, got to give it a little bit more thought about that. Alrighty, see you in the next stream.